Hello, and welcome to the Deeper Network. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Metamask wallet. Inside Google Chrome, type in Metamask extension. Click on the first result, and then Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension and wait for the install. Sometimes there's an error in installing, so just click Restart Metamask. Once it's ready, click I agree, and then create a new wallet. Click I agree, input a new password and then confirm that password, click I understand, and then create a new wallet. It is always recommended to watch this video and then click Secure My Wallet. This is your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Make sure you write this down and save it somewhere safe. Once you have your 12-word phrase written down, click Next to confirm. To confirm your phrase, fill in the gaps and then click Confirm. Once the wallet has been created, continue on until the next pages, X out, and the first thing we need to do is change from Ethereum mainnet to BNB mainnet, Binance Smart Chain. In the top left, click Add Network. Scroll down to BNB Chain and Add. Click Approve, and then switch to BNB Chain. The next step is to import the DPR token. So in a new window, please go to CoinMarketCap and search for DPR. On the left side of the page, you will see Contracts. Go to More and copy the BNB smart contract. Paste it into token contract address, wait for it to populate, and then add token. Now you have a Metamask wallet set up on the Binance Smart Chain with DPR token ready.